This is also very nice today, but sadly it's in the doors, but...
And stainless steel cap.
Yeah, at least the Delta fixtures.
Yeah.
Today on the 5th of April 2024, here's Hallituskatu 15 staircase bigger. Tampere Tammakossa Pirkanmaan Pirkanland, Finland. It's nice doors.
Yeah.
It's more round windows. And 9 floors. And this was built in 1962. Rust in 2006. Simber SAE 531. But maybe one for riders as well.
Yes, of course.
It's still important.
Yeah.
The vest is 4 bursts at 320 grams. And the basement has a dark green door. But probably it's all locked as well. But so far one example is enough.
Yeah.
And for the moment, yeah. So it was a faster echo even. So.
Yeah.
I like the sound in the smell.
Same.
And these doors are beautiful.
Yeah.
Fortunately, the interior was also changed.
Yeah.
And sadly, it's not a wooden interior. They should have chosen a wooden interior.
Yeah. That's